What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel, fam. Listen, make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe right down there for brand new. It's very free. It's absolutely free. I checked yesterday, checked this morning. Absolutely free. Just press the button, subscribe. Yeah. Manchester United, fam. Manchester United. Here we go again. This is Sevilla versus Manchester United in Sevilla. Second leg of the Europa League. First leg was horrible. Started off great, and then boom. We just not capitulate, but we just cost ourselves the game because two mistakes. Malaysia and to a small extent Maguire, because Maguire couldn't do anything about it. But still. But we have to go out there and win. But Sevilla has to go out there and win today as well. It might go to penalties, it might not. Who knows? Harry fucking Maguire. And they're here. Two of them. Outside though. Fear in outside. Let's see. No, not outside no. See they're here. Not outside our ass. They're here. Kick out the blood clot ball. Kick out the ball. He have 3 man around him and a Maguire that. Kick out the ball. He might have 3 man around him. 3 man around him. 3 man around him. Kick out the ball. We are doing give Maguire the ball right there, so 3 man around him. 3 man stand up around him and you kick out the ball. Why? I tell you. Manchester United's season in Europe is done. It's over. So let's just talk about it. What the fuck did we just see? People, the defense. The fucking defense, fam. Ranging from David De Gea to Harry fucking Maguire, fam. What the hell was he doing in that first goal? Okay, David De Gea, him pass the ball to you. Are you going to tell me that the man give you the ball and all you had to do was kick it out, kick it back to him, and 3 man convert and you either kick the ball, get the man and score? What the fuck are you doing, Harry Maguire? What? You don't look around left, right, and center? As a centre back, how can you not be scanning the left, right, and centre as a centre back, Barry? And all you do is complain about how they're not paying you enough, and you're the best centre back in England, and the coach in England keeps calling you every season. Why are you still playing football? You're not a footballer, Harry Maguire. You are not a footballer. And as of now, to the rest of the season, I will be praying every day to Allah, to Vishnu, to Jesus, to every single God there is, so that we don't lose every game until the end of the season because of you. Martinez injured, Varane injured, and all we have to depend on is you until the end of the season, and it hurts me. It hurts me, Barry. But you are not a footballer, Harry Maguire. You are not a footballer. You're somebody else, but you're not a fucking footballer. You're not a footballer. What we just saw was Bruno fucking Fernandes. You see what happens when Bruno Fernandes is not playing for Manchester United? There is no creativity. Are you man out there talking about how Bruno Fernandes keep losing the ball? Bruno Fernandes is shit. He's no good. Look at Manchester United without Bruno Fernandes. Look at Manchester United without Bruno Fernandes. Bruno Fernandes is key to Manchester United. Without a shadow of a doubt, he is key. Without Bruno Fernandes, Manchester United looks like crap today. Complete crap. So all you man keep talking about Bruno is this and Bruno is that. Without that yellow card in the last game, Bruno Fernandes would have been integral in this game today. What we just saw was Manchester United completely and utterly not doing anything in the final third. In the creativity section of the field, in the integral section of the field where we should be passing them integral passes, taking shots, nothing, fam. We were completely shit in the final third. complete and utter shit in the final third, fam. I remember the keeper making 3 or so saves from shots outside of the 18-yard box. What we just saw was Anthony Martial fucking injured again. This time, half his own player. This time, Sabitzer dropped on him ankle and him the ligament tie hamstring. Mash up. I don't know what to say else about Anthony Martial, Parry. I don't know what else to say about Anthony Martial. I can tell you that how he's great when the team is playing, but he's not playing. No, he's injured again. So there we have it. I was going to say this is going to be my second week with Anthony Martial playing in the team. 2 weeks in a row. Can't do it. Cannot do it because he's injured again. Walked off injured 45 minutes into the 46 minutes. So after the second half started, what we just saw was now Manchester United need to recover, need to recoup because we have the FA Cup semi-finals on Sunday against Brighton, the team that beat us earlier in the season. People. It's going to be a tough last couple of weeks till the end of the season. Well, let's get our team together. Let's encourage them. Put our heads together. Harry Maguire, you need to go. David De Gea, you need to go. Best of yourself, best of others, Manaz.